Good day everyone. In this video, I will present the instructional requirements number 4 of our project, the Shanvogue Fashion Sales and Rental Management System, which demonstrates an event-driven, database-driven application. This system is designed to handle both the admin side and the client side. Sa admin side, my partner in module will discuss more about it. So for my part, I will focus on the client side where customers can register and log in, browse through available fashion products, buy or rent items, track their orders or rentals, leave reviews, ug submit help or complaints if na sila concerns. Karon, let's walk through the flow of the client side, starting from registration and login, going through product browsing, purchase or rental process, tracking features up to log out. After that, we will also explain the role of the SQLite database that powers the client side by storing all user actions and ensuring smooth transactions across the system. So pag open sa system, ang pinakaunang makita sa user kay ang landing page. This page acts as the entry point sa Shanvogue. Kung asa makapili ang customer kung mag-register ba siya, kung wala pa siya account or mag-login directly. Kung na siya existing account, klaro og simple ang choices, making it easy for first-time users and returning customers alike. So, kung ang customer kay bago pa o gusto mag-create og account, i-direct siya sa registration form. Dinhi kinahanglan niya i-fill out ang iyang basic information like full name, username, email o password. Once ma-submit, automatic nga ma-save ang iyang data sa database, which ensures nga every registered account is properly recorded and ready for login. Sa ato pa, dili lang ni form for form's sake, but it directly connected sa database, making sure nga very secure ug reliable ang pag-store sa user details. After registration, or para sa mga returning customers, the login form is used. Dinhi input ang username o password. Kung sakto ang iyang credentials, makasulod dayon siya sa client dashboard. Pero kung sayo pang iyang input, mo pop up ang error message to alert the customer nga invalid ang ilang login attempt. This simple process ensures nga ang tanan access attempts are properly verified before maka-enter sa main system. Then once login, makita sa customer ang client dashboard nga mao gid ang main hub sa ilang activities. Dire klaro ang layout sa tanan products with options such as buy now, rent and show, reviews. With this design, customers can browse through available items, filter kung sa ilang gusto, and even see reviews from other users before finalizing their decisions. Mao gid ni siya ang pinaka-core workplace sa mga customer inside the Shanvogue platform. And kung ang user gusto mo palit og item, mo click siya sa buy now button ug pop up ang order form. The form will require important details like address, contact number, payment option ug quantity sa product. Ang nice ani kay automatic na i-calculate sa system ang total amount based on the quantity times price per item. Once ma-submit, the order is saved into the database as a purchase transaction. This provides a smooth and reliable experience for direct product sales. Kung ang customer kay interesado sa pag-rent instead of buying, clicking the rent button will open another form. Dinhi makaset siya sa quantity, magbutang og notes o moapili sa duration of rental. The system will compute automatically ang total rental price gamit ang formula nga rent price times quantity times duration. Once confirmed, ma-save siya as a rental transaction sa rents table. With this process, klaro kayo nga ang Shanvogue dili lang magpangbaligya but also supports organized rental operations. Another very important features kay ang order tracking panel. Dinhi makita sa customer ang tanan niyang orders with details such as status, courier, tracking numbers, expected delivery, ug remarks. One special part here is that kung ang order is already marked as delivered, mo appear ang rate delivered button. This means nga Customers can only leave reviews for items nga na-deliver sa nagyod sa ilaha, which maintains authenticity sa review process. In reviews form, kung i-click ang rate delivered, mo-open ang product review form. Dinhi ang customer can rate the product from 1 to 5 stars o magbutang og written review para sa ilang experience. Once masubmit, masave ni siya sa product reviews table. Ang logic ani is clear, only delivered items can be reviewed, which ensures nga real customers with actual purchases ang mag-leave og feedback. This adds credibility and fairness sa review system. On the other hand, naapod sa dashboard ang show reviews button. For every product, kung i-click ni siya, makita sa customer ang mga feedback nga gisulat sa ubang users nga nakapalit og nakarent sa nasa item. This way, prospective buyers and renters can read insights from the other before making their decision. Ang transparency nga gihatag ani nga feature helps customer feels more confident and well-informed when purchasing products. Sa rent tracking panel, makita ang tanan rentals sa customer. Ongoing rentals are displayed clearly, while completed ones are marked as returned or rejected. This not only helps the customer keep track of their active rentals, but also provides a history log of all past rentals, making the system more informative and organized. Then last is the help center, is where customers can directly submit their concerns, either general inquiries or complaints. They can even upload an optional image para mas klaro ang ilang issue or request. All these are stored in the database, where admins can review and take action. With this, Shanvogue ensures nga naagyod proper communication channel between the business and its customers. And finally, kung human ang user sa ilang activities, they can simply click log out. This will end the session and bring them back sa landing page. This way, ang account is secured and dili ma-access sa lain nga person kung magamit ang same device. Security and privacy are always prioritized in the system. Next, let's talk about the database setup of our system. As you can see here sa folder structure na siya SQLite file nga gitawag is Shanvogue DB. Ang purpose ani is mao ni ang main storage sa tanan data sa system. Unlike sa MySQL nga kinahanglan pa og server, ang SQLite lightweight ra ug portable. Ang tanan data gikan sa users, products, purchases, orders ug reviews tanan gi-store diri sa single file, meaning kung i-transfer nato ang project dala na dayon ang database without complex configuration. Now makita nato diri sa database sa Java file, the purpose ani is mao siya ang naghandle sa database connection ug initialization. Kung i-run nato ang system for the first time, ang initialize method mo check if existing na ba ang mga tables. If wala pa, automatic niya i-create ang schema or scheme using the create table if not exist statements. Mao ni ang reason nga nung pag-run nato, makita nato nga na-generate ang shanvogue.db file without the complete tables inside, rather. Example, diri makita ninyo na nga gi-create ang users table. This table stores user information like username, email, password, and role. By default na inserted admin o demo use accounts. Sunod ang products table, diri nato gi-store ang product details like name, price, stock, category o image, as well as the rent related information. Then we also have the purchase table, which records customer purchase including product name, contact address, payment method, and total amount. The rent table stores active rent transactions like product name, user details, quantity, days, ug total. Sa help center table, diri gi-store ang complaints or help request gikan sa users with optional image attachments. The product reviews table allows customer to leave ratings and reviews on specific products linked to both user and product. Next, the order tracking table tracks the status of every purchase order. Gikan sa order place, courier details, tracking number, location, delivery status, ug remarks. Lastly, we have the rent tracking table. Same sa order tracking, pero dedicated ni siya for monitoring rented items with fields for exempted return date, status, ug remarks. As you can see in screen, complete na gyud ang scheme inside shanvog.db. After initializing the database.java, each table na a specific role in supporting both clients and admin side operations. So it works in end-to-end projects na gyud. For example, sa client side, user can register, log in, buy or rent products, leave reviews, or file complaints. And all of those actions are automatically recorded sa corresponding tables inside the SQL database. To summarize, the client side of Shanvog provides customers with a seamless end-to-end experience from registration and login, product browsing, purchase and rental options, order and rental tracking, review features for both giving and viewing feedback, and support through the help center, up to secure logout. Altogether, this makes Shanvog not only functional e-commerce and rental system, but also a user-centered platform that values security, transparency, and convenience. That's all. Thank you.